Hello and welcome to the viewers of Fatty Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I'd like to apologize for not doing some regular uploads for the last few days. I will try my best to do some regular uploads from now on. I'm planning to bring some new and amazing content for you guys. So, from the thumbnail and the title, you all can see our channel Fatty Kitchen finally got 1K subscriber and it's also got monetized. I'd like to thank all of you guys for the great and the lovely support you guys are giving from the last few months. From this amazing support, we finally reached our mini milestones. Thanks to you guys. And also, great thanks to my family, friends and relatives. And yeah, and a special thanks to you, and you. I took few shots of 1K cake celebration few days back. Check it out. Keep supporting and keep watching channel Fatty Kitchen. Thanks again. Have a nice day and bye bye.